Mac, what happened out here? Did it snow? Did it snow? Tell me. Did it? Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Last night we got snow, and not just a little bit of snow. We got like 7 to 12 inches. And
crazy.
It was crazy. We want to show you around our small little farm here in South Texas because this is a very rare event to get snow like this. And we just want to show you how much fun we're having with it. Let's go. Let's go check on the chickens and see how they did last night.
I don't see any out in the yard.
No, not yet.
They're not crazy like you.
No. Careful.
All right. I don't see any chicken footprints.
See if the chickens even want to come out in this cold. Go. I hear them. I don't think they realize what they're about to wake up to. Let's see. Good morning, ladies. Oh, not so much? No? Why not? That was the quickest nope ever. They said nope. Maybe tomorrow.
Hello, everybody. Yep.
They are all just in here, hanging out, staying warm.
And laying eggs, though.
And laying eggs.
Perfect. That's awesome. Kind of wish I was them right now. So we stayed up most of the night checking on all the animals, and they did great. The puppies stayed nice and warm. Our older pups ended up sleeping in the she shed. We left one of them out to protect all the other animals. And now we're gonna go check and see how they're enjoying their snow day. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're gonna come play. What's up? Oh, dude, stop. Come on. What are you doing? Hi. Look at your little feet. They got little icicles on them. Hi. Lily. Are you having fun? Hi, guys. Did you have fun last night, Matt? Did you protect everybody? He's the man of the farm. Gotta work all night, huh? While the ladies sleep in luxury. Hey, Mac, you wanna go check on Memphis? Let's go check. Come on. Here you duck.
Hey, Mose. Hey there. Probably need to put some more hay in there for them. And yep, they're eating it down on the bottom.
Oh, little buddy, it's so cold. You need to break up your water, huh? Oh, goodness. Hi, buddy. Come here and give me some cuddles. Oh, he's nice and toasty. You're all warm. Yeah.
So we gotta come out here and break up the ice in the troughs. It's getting pretty thick. Luckily, This freezing cold weather like this should only last one more day. Next week, believe it or not, it's gonna be beautiful, like high of 75, low of maybe 40. This is just some freak, crazy South Texas Arctic freeze.
Everyone looks like they're doing good, and you did puppy do this morning. Thank you for that. So I can't wait to see how they're doing.
Let's
Ready?
go.
Yeah. Man, now we're gonna have to squeeze through here because this is definitely frozen shut.
I might be able to force it open a little bit more.
Hi, sweet baby. Oh, is everybody taking a nap?
Oh, it feels good in here.
Oh my
It's nice and
goodness.
toasty. We need to change out their blanket today.
Yes, Mama's been tracking in mud.
Yep.
We actually just changed it last night.
Yeah, we changed this pad and their blanket in here at least once a day.
Hi. This is our big girl. She's nice and cozy. You're so warm. Oh. Let's see, who else do we have? You are
That's one of the boys.
little mister. Yes. And here's our little precious angel. Say hi. Hi, sweetie. Oh, thank you. They are super cozy down here. I bet it's like 40 or 50 degrees down here. It's not even cold at all.
And they've already gotten their double coat is growing in. They're nice and fluffy.
This little guy has the cutest little badger marks in his ears, and he actually has like a little heart shape on his head.
Look at that smushy face.
Oh. Hi guys. Oh, hi Mama. I'm checking on your baby.
That's Mama Mabel.
Yeah, it's okay.
That's a good mama.
Oh, are you chewing on my boot? That looks like a fun toy. Yeah. Well, we're done checking on all the animals. We're gonna have the kids change out the puppy pad. And then I think we're just gonna spend the rest of the day enjoying the snow with the kids. Can't wait. I just want to take a minute and introduce you to Gloria. Not all of our animals are outside. We do have a couple of inside pets, and she is a special dog. She is half blue heeler, half golden retriever, and she is for our son. Eventually she will be his emotional and service dog, but right now we're just letting her enjoy her puppy days.
Snow zoomies.
It's more fun if you don't.
Okay.
All right, buddy, what do you say we go do some ripping on the four-wheeler in the snow?
Woo! Yeah, let's go.
doing some donut lessons. Got my teenage son Cameron here, learning how to do some donuts on the ATV, the four-wheeler in the snow. Let's go. Let's go. Get it. I don't think Mama approved.
No, not approved.
Well, that was so much fun. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Be sure to come back later this week. We're gonna be dropping another video, another puppy update video. You don't wanna miss it. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you get notified when we post that video.
Yeah, we'll see you soon. So we have to start over. Okay. Don't knock our strategy.